Hey, if your Samsung Galaxy A57 is not charging when plugged in, let me show you a few tips how you can try to fix this. So first of all, just go to the settings, scroll into device care. Now you will have to go for diagnostics, open this tool, make sure that your cable is connected with your power adapter and click for phone diagnostics. Then when you open this for the first time, you will have to actually make all of those diagnostics for each hardware. But here when you open this one, you can check simply the battery status is good, but you are actually interested into the charging cable. So when you open it, you can find a result, you can even test it again, and if it is not charging, you will find some problems here. And how you can actually solve them? Well, in the most cases when it's not charging, the problem will be with a USB port. So when you got your port, you will have to just take a look closely with a good lighting condition. I will try to zoom in just to show you how it looks. And as you can see, for me, everything is fine. But if your is dirty, there's something here, you can just simply remove it by using, for example, this plastic part. Do not use any metal part, and you will have to just swipe like this until you remove everything. Or also, the problem might be with your charging cable or your power adapter. So we can use different power adapter, or for example use different cable. In the most cases, everything should be fine if you clean your port and change for a new cable, but the problem still appears. Well, honestly, you probably have to send your phone for some warranty or go into some repair mobile store, because you will need more advanced diagnostic than this one.